The Floodlight Unit of the Lynbrook Fire Department held a dinner on Sunday, September 24, 2023, at the Ocean Club, in Atlantic Beach, to install the officers of the unit, and to recognize Ex-Captain Edward Hynes, for his 4 years of leading the Floodlight Unit. Outgoing Captain Hynes is also an ex-chief of the department. Master of ceremonies for the event was John Cornicello. During the dinner, the officers for this year were introduced. They are Captain Chris Hynes, First Lieutenant Danny Dempsey, and Second Lieutenant Stephen Liguori. The new officers, along with Floodlight Treasurer Eugene Cribben, Financial Secretary Gary Wargo, and Director Bill Dosher, were all sworn in by Chief of Department Danny Ambrosio. During the dinner, Lynbrook's Deputy Mayor Michael Hawkshurst and Trustee Mary Ann Reardon were in attendance, and thanked Ed for his dedication to the Floodlight Unit. Assemblyman Brian Curran also stopped by, and presented a citation for ex-Captain Ed Hynes, which was accepted by Captain Chris Hynes. Ed Hynes could not attend due to a death in his wife's family. At the October meeting of the Floodlight Unit, a citation from Nassau County Legislator Bill Gaylor was presented to ex-Captain Ed Hynes, by John Cornicello and First Lieutenant Danny Dempsey. He was also presented a watch. Thank you, Ed, from the Floodlight Unit.